everyone. Welcome to Bruhan Mumbai Municipal Corporation's Virtual Training Center, and I am Mrs. Snehal Kodambe, your English teacher from VTC. Let's begin with today's session.
As I said, we will learn very first poem from unit number 1. 1.1 It's a Small World. See children, as you know, we are human beings, and the world around us is first our family, our relatives, our friends, our neighbors, in school our teachers, school friends, and so on. So this is a small world around us. Now how this world is, that is described in this poem. First we will read this poem and then we will sing this poem. So reading is the main part of this poem. It's a world of laughter, a world of tears. It's a world of hopes and a world of fears. There is so much that we share that it's time we are aware. It's a small world after all. 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 It's a small, small world. There is just one moon and one golden sun, and a smile means friendship to everyone. Though the mountains divide and the oceans are wide, it's a small world after all. 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 It's a small, small world. So dear children, this poem, A Small World, is written by Richard M. Sherman and Robert B. Sherman. In this poem, what does these poets want to tell us? We will see stanza-wise. Very simple, but it has a big meaning. You can see the vast meaning in this poem. Now here is a central idea of the poem. We will first read it. It's a small world. Sometimes you meet the same people in an unexpected place or find out that they are connected to people you know. The words "It's small world" are used to show your surprise on such an occasion. In this poem, the words are used to tell us that all human beings are alike. Okay, so this is the central idea what we are going to learn from this poem. Though the main object of this poem is we have to read this, we have to enjoy this, but at the same time we should know what message is given by the poets of this poem. I'll read it for you once again. It's a small world. Sometimes you meet the same people in an unexpected place or find out they are connected to people you know. The words "It's small world" are used to show your surprise on such an occasion. So in this poem, the words are used to tell us that all human beings are alike, means all human beings are same, though they are from the different parts of this world. Now we will see this poem stanza-wise. It's a small world. Okay? It's a world of laughter, a world of tears. It's a world of laughter, a world of tears. It's a world of hopes and a world of fear. Now here what these poets tells us that it's a world of laughter. You can see the people laughing around us. But it is not always that. At the same time, this world is full of tears also. As you know, this is the pandemic of corona is going on. So all are under some tension. Nobody is laughing there. But as you know, this is not going to last for long. sometimes in nearer future it is going to be changed. So again there will be smile on the faces of the people. So again it will be a world of laughter. So sometimes we are happy, sometimes we are sad. So this is a world of laughter, a world of tears, and it's a world of hopes. As I said just now, that corona is not going to last for long. In near future we hope that it will be going to escape from this world. It is going to be vanished from this world. So this hope we are having in our mind, in our heart. So it's a world of hopes and a world of fears. You can see, not always laughter, not always tears, not always hopes, not always fears. The times changes. The only one thing is permanent in this world, that is change. So nothing is going to be last for a long, forever. So here poet tells us this world is full of laughter. At the same time, sometimes you have to face the tears also, because always that happier times won't be there. It is not going to last forever. Sometimes we have to face some bad situations, some tensions, some fears. But you should not lose your hopes that, as I said, that nothing is permanent in this world, only the change is the permanent thing. So we hope that this corona is going to be vanished in the nearer future. The next stanza. There is so much that we share, that it's time we are aware. There is so much that we share, it's time we are aware. It's a small world after all. There is so much that we share. Now as you people are not happy because you are not going to schools. You can't meet your friends. See, every day as soon as you come to the school, you enter in your class, you start talking to your friends, because yesterday afternoon or yesterday evening when you left from the school, you met your friend. But from that day till this day, you have so many things to share with your friends. And that eagerness shows that you start talking as soon as you meet your friends. There are broad smiles on your faces, isn't it? So many things are there that we want to share with each other. And at the same time, we are aware of all the fact. What fact? That is a small world after all. Because this is a very small world. As first of we have read that in central idea of the poem, that this is very small world. You meet some people, same people with regular intervals, and at that time unexpectedly when you meet the people, we are so surprised that without knowing, unknowingly we have met them, and so that is the great surprise for us, because it's a very small world. And it happens that people, knowingly, unknowingly, they keep on meeting us. We'll move to the next stanza. It's a small world after all. It's a small world after all. It's a small world after all. It's a small, small world. When you will sing this line, you will enjoy it more. Next. There is just one moon and one golden sun. As you know, in this world, only one moon is there, which we can see in night in the sky. And there is just one golden sun, which is seen at the daytime. And a smile means friendship to everyone. This is the fact. There is just one moon and one golden sun in the sky. At daytime, we can see sun in the sky, and at night time there is one moon in the sky, and that is the fact. These are the factual things. and a smile means friendship to everyone. And in this world, why poet wants to give us the existence of this moon and sun, that there is just one moon and one sun. Our world is so small, nothing, many things are not there that we have to take notice of these things. Just one moon, just one golden sun. And in this small world, how you can be friendly with each and everyone? With just a smile. See, whenever some people which are unknown to you, and if you look at them and you smile at them, they become friendly to you. Isn't it? So it's a small world. Keep smiling and be friendly with each and everyone. Though the mountains divide and the oceans are wide, this world is divided in different countries by the mountains, and there are many oceans among these countries, but still it's a small world. Now see, as you know, we have Himalaya, and Himalaya divides our neighboring countries, isn't it? So there are different mountains in this world which divide these countries, and they have their boundaries, and there are many oceans on this earth, but still it's a small world. These big oceans, these big mountains, they can't keep away us from each other, because it's a small world after all. 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 It's a small world. A very small world. So you have to be friendly with each other. You have to give a broad smile whenever you look to the people who are known as well as you who are unknown to you, and be friendly. So that's the poem. Now you can sing the song. As I said, you have to just enjoy this song. So you can listen it from any YouTube video channel, and you get that tune and try to sing the song. Here one more assignment we will see, very easy assignment. As you know, whenever we read some poem, we try to find out some rhyming words from that poem. So here again, from this poem, note down the pairs of rhyming words, and one more thing you have to do is that add one more rhyming word to each pair. Very simple exercise. I'll show you how to do that. See, for example, tears and fears. These are the rhyming words. So here we can add one more word to that, gears. Okay, in this way you have to find out rhyming words from this poem, and you have to add at least one word to this pair. Share, aware, hair. Sun, one, gun. Divide, wide, guide. Okay, got it? How to do that? So, two things we are going to do after reading this poem. First, we will find out tune from any YouTube video channel and sing the song, or you can sing song in your own tune also. And the second, very easiest exercise, that find out the rhyming words as I have shown you here, and go on adding at least one word to each pair.
That's all for today. So you will revise whatever we have learned in today's session. Please subscribe the channel and press the notification button to get the link of next video. Bye bye.